Did you know that 1 in 7 Americans has some type of orthopedic impairment? Overuse injuries make up nearly half of all sports injuries in middle and high school students. More than 3.5 million children, ages 14 and younger, get hurt annually playing sports or participating in recreational activities. And that over 7 million Americans require hospitalization for orthopedic conditions each year. That's why we're here. At OACM, we're here to help you get back out there. And it's what we've been doing for over 50 years. What makes this possible? Passion and expertise. The passion and expertise being delivered through our growing multi-specialty practice of musculoskeletal experts. All focused on one thing, our patients. A team whose musculoskeletal experts continue to earn regional recognition for their excellence in Baltimore Magazine's Top Doctors issue, year after year. A team whose distinction and commitment to our community sets us apart. Our subspecialties include: we're here to provide the highest level of musculoskeletal care for adults, children, and athletes of every age. We're here to treat the individual, not just the injury or condition, with one goal in mind: returning our patients to their active lifestyle. We're OACM, and we're making a difference in musculoskeletal care. Care this good feels good to the bone.